I'm Anna French, and this is my partner Ryan and our rescue mutt Nova. Ryan and I met on the road and caravanned across the US together, then the pandemic happened, so we bought an off-grid house in Colorado and put down some roots. So far, we've installed a solar electric system, a new stove, a cell signal booster, a barn door, some electrical outlets, and we started to make a better barrier for our loft. We decided to make the loft barrier a little nicer, so we got to work on painting and adding some trim. Then finally, after 2 months of traveling back and forth to use the van fridge because we didn't have reliable power in the house, we got a refrigerator. Ryan added a light to our upstairs fan. And we upgraded our entryway dining room light to a retractable fan.
We set up the mounting bracket for the fan. So this is what the fan hangs from. There's a ball right here and a mounting bracket that goes down to the fan and then the light. Well, we had a stud right here, but we only had drywall and they cut it a little funky. So I had to put a 2x4 on the ceiling, which I put through the rafters. I had to go up into the attic to do. But now there's a 2x4 right here that it's hanging on, so it should be supported.
My mom and her dog Coco came for a 2-week visit over the Thanksgiving holiday, and we all quarantined for 2 weeks before and after.
When I wake up in the middle of the night and I feel wide awake 'cause I've got you on my mind, I go walking out in the streets with the stars above me 'cause I can't go back to sleep. Hey, oh, walking in the night with the moon and the stars, they make me feel alright. Hey, ho, walking in the night 'cause I can't get to sleep when I got you on my mind.
So we sliced all these apples. and then realized that the apple pie filling has apples in it. We'll already slice it for you.
Stops for a moment, wags his tail and keeps on grooving. Trees cast shadows from the moon up above, and I think that the moon and me might just fall in love. I don't know why I feel this way, but I got you on my mind, so everything's okay.
Fortunately, my mom brought some leftover flooring she had from her cabin. So we got to work on installing the floors in our office and bathroom, which were both plywood when we moved in.
It all works out. When it sometimes doesn't go to plan, you throw out a bus and you get stuck in the sand. There's a way somehow. Find a way somehow. I know the first instance it might seem hard, my friend. That's why we're always home. That's why we're always home. It all works out.
So I'm not entirely sure what I want to do with the little divots where the hinges were for the door when this was a normal door yet. So for now we've just painted them green, and my mom is painting the door this new green we got. Greek oregano is the new color. This is the old color here. So it looks a lot brighter before it dries, but I think it dries really pretty. You can kind of see it here on the sides of the door.
No, not to it. No, I don't need the trouble. I can't think straight, can't concentrate. Feels like I'm seeing double. You're on my mind, deep in my head. I think you're taking over me. Do you feel it now? What I told you about? Do you feel it now? Knowing won't make you choose, won't fall your boldest value. This love I'm not going, still swear that I'm up for you. Runs in our blood, for bad or good, and I know why you're beside me. I can feel it now, what you told me about. I can feel it now. I will keep going. Blood keeps on flowing.
This is our desk and our really big washing machine. And this is sort of the closet in our office that we are converting into a laundry room. While my mom was in town, we also visited the Great Sand Dunes National Park. Ryan is just gonna add a layer of this Rust-Oleum to the metal rack of the solar panels just to help extend the life.
We just put this anti-rust on it and it should take care of it.
Rebels and heretics, it's all the same. So you can keep on running your charade while I keep on running and gunning in my parade. Doesn't have to make you feel good, just doesn't have to wreck everyone else's mood. 'Cause I had things to do that never got done. It doesn't matter now if I'm having fun. All the trees don't lie.
We also gave in and bought a big screen TV.
Wait, what's your name again? Wait.
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye bye bye. Then we finally kissed, I was like, oh. Boy, I had to try, I can't even lie. Didn't really think you'd change my mind. But what can you do? I guess I needed to. Yeah. I'm feeling really into you. It's not like I wanted to, but I just want to be with you tonight. You were like, hello, hello, hello. And I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for future renovation and off-grid living videos.